President Aquino remains firm against amending the Constitution. The President believes there will be more harm than benefits in such move. Leaders of Congress are pushing for changes to certain economic provisions of the Constitution.
May opinion ako, may opinion yung mga nagtutulak. Liti ko lang, sana mapakita ang dahilan kung bakit kailangan natin palitan. Dahil nga, ito yung saligang batas, di ba? Pinakapundason, pinaka-bedrock na ating mga batas. Mababago, may short term, magkakaroon ng disruption. No? Sulit ba yung disruption na yan doon sa anticipated benefits? So, pag sinabi yung economic hindrance, babalik tayo sa ating bansang kaibigan na China. China bawal, yes, pinag-usapan kasi dito yung foreign ownership of land. No? China walang ownership of land. Pero world, a decade, 10% growth. Hindi necessary yun. So, dapat may direct correlation. Pag pinasukan natin pagpapalit ng saligang batas, merong negative. Yung positive, kailangan i-demonstrate ng adherence na malaki ang pakinabang para pasukan natin.